This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV 24/7.
Well, in October, the Right to Information Act will be 2 years old. Considered to be one of India's biggest accomplishments, it's enabled people to fight corruption and red tape, two of our country's biggest weaknesses. But is the act becoming a paler version of its original self? Aanchal Vohra finds out.
Raj Mangal Prasad spends long hours fighting for the rights of street children. His work often takes him to government shelters. The conditions there are so appalling, he says, that he wants to use the Right to Information Act to find out why these homes are run so poorly. 18 months after he filed his RTI application, he still hasn't got information he is entitled to.
Till date, I have not been given complete information. How can a common man, get hold of information?
The information Raj is seeking has been declared confidential by the government. Absolutely not, says the Central Information Commission. Raj's crusade sums up to the concerns of many activists that the RTI is failing its main goal to provide information easily to the average Indian without doing endless rounds of bureaucrats' offices.
But unfortunately, most of the places, information commissioners are hesitant in imposing these penalties, and that is the crux of why RTI is not working.
According to the RTI Act, applicants should receive information within 30 to 40 days. Officers who miss this deadline should be fined ₹250 per day. But in the last 2 years, only 60 officials have been penalized for taking too long. What makes matters worse is that currently there are 4,000 RTI applications waiting to be heard.
As I mentioned to you, I'm not satisfied with our rate of disposal. I do not believe that if you raise the level of penalties and so on, the number of cases coming to us is going to go down.
For thousands of people across the country, cash connections, ration cards and passports have been made possible only by the right to information. However, those who work closest with it acknowledge that the Act, now 2 years old, needs to be rescued quickly to ensure it accomplishes its original goal, which is quick information for every Indian who wants it. In New Delhi, Aanchal Vohra for NDTV.